So this is the outfit of the day for cleaning up my car. My Crocs are literally so disgusting, but these are the ones I use for outside. Come clean my car with me. Okay, I'm about to pull my car in. Oh my god, it's so hot. Let's do it. Ooh, there's shade here. Yeah. I'm gonna do a before and after. I honestly feel like there's not gonna be much of a difference though, because there never really is when I clean my car. Just to make it smell nice. And my brother has also been using it. Fast food bags and just things that don't need to be in a car. So I'm gonna try to get rid of that. Let me just go grab some supplies and I'll be back. So I'm gonna take a video of it before. Super messy, by the way. Don't know where those stains came from. Ooh, I need that. Okay, so I'm gonna use some of these wipes first to just get all the dust off, and then I'm gonna vacuum. Sorry if these angles are horrible. I know what this is. It's the Chick-fil-A sriracha sauce. That shit was bust. Alright, let's do these, right? A little bit of everything. Oh yeah, I need to try to get that sriracha stain off though. It looks all nice, oh, kind of nice and clean. Then when I open it, no. Ew, that's a little Chick-fil-A fry. Okay, I want to see if I vacuum this little area, if it'll actually pick it up. Yeah. For the most part, I feel like it did a pretty good job. It was so much easier than like trying to get everything out. Okay, this area is a little better. Now we're gonna do the, what is this called? Nothing's coming off, like nothing's dusting off. My brother's inhaler. Hello. This bad boy back. Okay, that looks fine. I don't think I ever showed you guys the after. It's the next day. It looks way better, I think. Like that little thing does not want to come off. I don't know what that is. It's like a little sticker. But I think it looks better.